Setting Master is quick to set up. Rotate from urethane protector to setting block. Rest against the old windshield before it's removed, and you can set from either side by simply mounting it on the opposite side you are setting from. To mount the glide block is the same as a setting block. This simple glide system offers multiple functions, from removing the old glass to accurately setting the new windshield. You'll see this further on in this video. One of the glide block function is to assist in removing the old windshield, a big benefit on a tall vehicle. The urethane protection cup is the only vacuum cup required. Clean the windshield in a cup. Place the cup on top of the windshield. Pump the plunger until the red line indicator disappears. Once the red line indicator disappears, the vacuum cup will hold and will be ready to set the windshield when you're ready. It is a very unique system. The urethane protection shelf needs to be rotated over the urethane bed. You can adjust the height to clear the bed. This keeps the urethane bed untouched until you're ready to set. What a unique system and what a safe system. There is no need to carry the windshield over the hood. Rest the windshield into the glide groove and let the glide carry all the way to the windshield. You simply slide the windshield over until center. When it's center, I rested on the windshield protection shelf, and now I need to get a little higher. It's not a problem because the glide and the shelf will hold it. I'm lowering it down very gentle, have complete control, and I set the driver's side. Look at that nice gap, and the urethane is protected. It is amazing. With the windshield held away from the urethane bed, it gives you plenty of time to set the passenger side. So all you need to do is loosen the thumb screw, rotate shelf back to a setting block, and rest against the setting block, and you'll have an accurate set windshield. Just let it rest against the block, go to the top, remove the suction cup, and look how that's nice and set that is. A master set because of the awesome design. No need to rush. You can tape at your convenience because the setting block and glide block holds the windshield at accurate setting height. The windshields that have moldings that push the windshield away from the roof now stays and holds in place. One of the function of the glide block is it turns into a setting block. See, the windshield is resting against both blocks, the setting and glide block. The setting block, though, is very unique because you can raise it and lower it any height you need it. This is very important. The other day I did a windshield on a Subaru Forester and it needed to be set at maximum height. It's a very unique and very accurate setting system, and very versatile.